Our rebuilt carb is back on the old Chevy II. Got the battery on charger. I was cranking it a little bit. Got some oil pressure. Give it a little ether to get her going. Let's see how we behave, boys and girls. This car is such a pretty car. Alright, well, get fuel up there. But we are cranking. So we got that going for us. Got her to run on starting fluid. But it's acting like we're not getting any fuel. So I'm gonna just pop this off and crank it real quick and just see. Because, you know, when these cars sit, fuel pumps like to get all gummy. Good old California gas. Ethanol garbage. I mean, it's dry right now. Give me my... Okay, so I'm gonna crank it and see what we get. Cranked and cranked and cranked and cranked and cranked. And we ain't got nothing. Alright. I filled the bowl, and you saw how that happened. So, and I filled the line itself. So definitely... fuel pump ain't pumping. Jeez. What the hell? All right, so we're putting an in-line electric pump in just to try. But I had it running, and I haven't gotten any fuel. So I'm gonna undo it down here at the mechanical pump. I know it's hard to focus. Down yonder, and turn it on and see if it's sucking or not. Because I know the pump's working, but now I'm worried about fuel. Like, is the pickup bad? All right, so we put about 1.5 gallons in. Should be more than enough to get it to prime. We have nothing up here. Even with the electric pump, it should just draw it right up. I mean, it's not an issue. So, go down here. Ooh, it smells really gassy down here, by the way. Let me go see what we got going on. Well, I found out why she didn't have any gas. That's not good. Tank's leaking. Oh, yuck. I bet something's up with the pickup inside.